Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Um, Thank you for all supporters, to all viewers. Thank you so much. Thank you YouTube. Thank you so much. Uh, introduce myself. I'm Paloma Jusa TV. I'm creator and a small YouTuber, Paloma Jusa TV. Sorry for the uh, violation for the violation. YouTube, sana pakinggan mo naman ako. Sana wag mo naman akong tanggalan ng monetization. Please come back again my monetization. Please, 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 YouTube, come back again for my monetization. My content is traveling, cooking, advices, and eating. Thank you so much. Sana ibalik ni YouTube ang aking YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And kung may nagawa man akong violation, sorry and pasensya na po. Thank you so much. And please help me YouTube. Please help me for come back again for monetization. Please come back again for my monetization. YouTube, thank you so much. YouTube, please come back again. My editing is my phone, basta ang ginagamit ko po sa pag-edit ay cellphone ko po. Dalawang cellphone po ginamit sa pag-edit and sa pag-video, sa paggawa ng mga vlog, sa paggawa ng mga content ko. Ang ginagamit ko po ay cellphone. Sorry and thank you for all support. Sorry for my violation. Diyos ko, ano bang gagawin ko? Sobra, hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin ko. YouTube, please help me for come back again for my monetization. Sana ibalik naman ni YouTube ang aking monetization. Sobrang sobrang pinaghirapan ko yun. Sobra kong pinaghirapan. Diyos ko. Pinagpuyatan ko yun. Please come back again monetization. Sana tulungan mo ako YouTube. Please come back again. Sana. Ay, Diyos ko na magagawin. Please help me for monetization. Help me. Please help me for monetization. Please come back again. Please come back again for monetization. Please come back again. Please come back again for monetization. Please. Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. YouTube, tulungan mo ako. Please help me, YouTube. Please come back again for my monetization. Please, please come back again. My YouTube channel, Paloma Jusa TV. Please come back again for monetization. Please come back again for monetization. Please. Please come back again. Please.